In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a real estate website in Wix from start to finish. We'll walk through selecting the right template, setting up property listings, and making sure everything looks great on desktop and mobile before you publish. Start by opening your Wix editor. Log in, head to My Sites, and choose Edit Site on the website you want to turn into your real estate hub. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct site and consider renaming the project to keep things organized. Next, choose or customize a real estate template. In the template library, browse the real estate or business categories. Pick a layout that already includes galleries and contact sections. Or start with something clean and customize it. Update colors, fonts, and your logo to match your brand, and keep navigation simple so visitors can quickly find listings. Now, add your property listing pages. If you have just a few properties, create individual pages for each. If you plan to manage many listings, use dynamic pages connected to a Wix collection. This lets you store property information in one place and automatically generate consistent listing pages. It's scalable, easier to update, and ensures a uniform design. Quick note, since this is a web-based build, you'll find a link to Wix at the top of the description so you can open the editor and follow along. Add property details for each listing. Include high-quality photos, clear pricing, a concise description, location, key amenities, and accurate contact information. Use informative headings, add alt text to images, and keep copy easy to scan. Consider including neighborhood highlights to help visitors picture the lifestyle. Place lead capture forms on each listing. Add a contact form or an inquiry button that opens a form or a quick chat. Keep fields simple: name, email, phone, and a message box. And connect form submissions to your email and dashboard notifications so you never miss a lead. Show locations with maps. Drop in a Google Maps element and pin each property. Add context like nearby transit, schools, and shops to help users assess the area quickly. If possible, include a directions link for convenience. Switch to mobile view and optimize for phones and tablets. Adjust font sizes, spacing, and image cropping. Make sure buttons are large and easy to tap, and that forms are simple to complete on smaller screens. Finally, preview and publish. Test every listing, open each form, check links, and ensure the overall design feels professional. When everything looks right, click Publish to go live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Wix tutorials.